Josan. Papagua. Jing, my favorite. Mamma mia! Mamma mia! That's what Turkey's about. I was outside with Light playing and Papa got mad, so she's like, come on in right now. So how we make the joke? Are you short quart? 3 quarts of water.
It's a ginger, something in there. 3 pieces orange peel. Turn on the high flame. Put the bone.
So all the turkey bones. Yeah, you don't have to cook them again. And some meat too, it's okay.
That's it. For half hour. We'll take the water.
Why are you gonna throw first?
It's in the pot. I will get it. See? Okay, now cover it. See, rice.
Make a palm. Two kinds of rice.
See, that's the rice. All that
Good. So juk is congee in Cantonese. A lot of cultures eat it form of porridge. The ratio we used was 3 quarts of water, 2 cups of rice. Saimai.
After we fry, I put some oil.
Oh, make it easier to what? Make it wampy. I don't know why I've been wearing a marathon steak.
You're good.
Cooking school, those sites. I went to cooking school, what did I learn?
How to make an egg, that's all.
That's all I know. Che. Go to go see, get say, blah, che.
Yeah.
Waste money.
Make a water. I make some salad.
I like food.
Yeah. Nothing but to do.
Alright, we're going to the basement. Mamma mia. The basement's scary, Papa.
It's not.
He doesn't want to go down, ever. An animal sense thing. Light, you want to come down? No, but I gotta get the food joke. Mamma mia! Food joke. Oh ho. Oh ho? Yeah. We made it. Whole gang, Papa. Got the whole bag.
Oh!
That's my dad. Got doggy. Molten food on. I like it. It's homesick.
I know homesick, the whole fire.
Oh yeah.
$7.
What is the real value of money and wealth? I think it's hard to quantify anything, but for me, what's the most valuable, the most important are experiences. Experiences with your friends, family, loved ones. Mamma mia! Right, Papa? Oh, smart. What? If you don't want to listen to me, that's okay. Listen to yourself. Mamma mia!